subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon for more updates. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. The reason behind posting this video in English is some of my friends and family members have suggested me to do this video in English so that it can reach to the maximum people. So today in this video, I'm gonna share with you some highlighted points in National Education Policy 2020. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the first and important point that I am going to tell you is, according to the Right to Education Act, all children in the 6 to 14 years age group have the fundamental right to get free education. And now in the new education policy, it is stated that all the children in the 3 to 18 years age group have the right to get free education. Now let me explain you in brief about what is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So the first 5 years is the fundamental stage, and this stage is divided into two parts, where in the first part children with 3 years of age group will join in preschool or Anganwadi. Whereas in the second part, the children will get promoted to their primary grades, that is grade 1 and grade 2, after completing their preschool. And guys, here is an important point, that is, in this entire 5-year process, National Education Policy 2020 encourages students to learn subjects in their regional language. And the learning process in this fundamental stage is completely based on the learning-based play activities. So the next 3 years is the preparatory stage, where the children, after completing their primary grades, will enter into grade 3 at their 8 years of age and continue up to grade 5. So students at this stage can learn the basics of maths, physics and other subjects. So now let's move on to the next stage, which is the middle stage. The grades here are from 6th to 8th. So here is an interesting factor that I want to share with you is, students from 6th grade can learn computer based skills along with their subjects. And this change is going to be made by our central government to improve skill set in students from childhood. And also, students can have 10 days internship program at this stage. So now let me move on to the final stage, that is secondary stage. And this secondary stage is also divided into two parts. And in the first part there will be 9th and 10th grades, whereas in the second part there will be 11th and 12th grades. So here there is an opportunity for students to learn some other courses along with their subjects and get valid certificate from our government after completion of their course. And the next point is all about degree. And I think in future there will be 4-year degree and not 3-year degree anymore. And guys, there is a good news for dropout students in degree. So dropout students can continue their studies from where they have stopped. And also MPhil will be discontinued. And the next point is, there will be no different common entrance tests. And there will be only one single test which will be conducted by National Testing Agency instead of different set exams. So guys, these are the highlighted points I just wanted to share with you. And I hope you all like this video, and please let me know about this video in the comment section. So if you like my videos, then please do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from me. Take care buddies, keep smiling, bye.